What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning, and most importantly, hope you're all doing great, of course. Hope you're all having a great weekend as well. Weather here has been nice, but obviously that will differ greatly depending on where you live. But yeah, in this video I wanted to take a quick look at Bitcoin again this Sunday morning. Sunday is always, which is a pretty nice thing to know. Sunday has been pretty bullish for especially Bitcoin and the crypto markets in the past 2 or 3 weeks. So now Bitcoin is in itself also already very bullish. We'll talk about that way more in the upcoming minutes. So yeah, a breakout seems to be well, not inevitable, but quite likely. So pretty nice analysis. As far as Bitcoin goes, the volume has dropped down a little bit. But I have to say, like the last couple of days, the volume we've had and sustained, I haven't seen that in a very long time. A very long time. Like for the last couple of months, I haven't seen that. If you check that out, I mean, you can see that the volume at some points is pretty high, but we never really get up there and then stay very high, especially not in the last 3 months. So I would consider that bullish as well, even though volume is obviously people buying and people selling. Doesn't matter. But let's dive right into the analysis, I think. So what you can see is that yesterday we still found quite a lot of resistance at our major resistance level, which is now 21,000. But after that, we did manage to stay on top of 20,700, which is already very massively bullish. That we didn't drop down, because I said that we would probably drop down all the way like to 20,500 and maybe even lower. That would all still be valid, and I would still think we would get a breakout above 21,000. But right now, as I said, if there is any time to break above 21,000 and to get up to our next price target between 21,700 and 22,000, that's my price target, and I think we're going to go up there. It's today. Today is the best time to do that. It doesn't necessarily mean that it's going to happen today, but I think it has a high chance. All right. So we're either going to do this today, or well, consider me wrong if that doesn't happen. I don't mind. What could also happen is that we will find some more bearish momentum today. But even then, I mean, we have all these support levels at 20,500, 20,250. It just, to me, unless we get some very bearish fundamentals, to me it seems inevitable that either today or tomorrow will break above 21,000. But what we have to know, and what's very important as well, is that obviously Wednesday already, we're going to have interest rates from the United States, and those make the market move a lot. And these interest rates are pretty hard, as you can see right here, are pretty hard to kind of see or think of what's going to happen, because we're pretty confident in that it's going up to 4%. All right, so that's already set in stone, and that could have actually been a catalyst behind some of this bullish momentum, because it's good to know that well, we're going up, but at least it's not by 1%. So the major thing is going to be that press conference after. Do they think they need to increase the interest rates even more in the upcoming months, or are they going to cool it down and kind of move it up by like 0.5%? If they say something like that, that's bullish. Even though it's still going up, it's less than the expectation, which is and it shows some sort of a cooling down. And obviously, cooling down is the one stage before it's dropping again, which would be very bullish. So I think those fundamentals are bullish as well, but in the end they're very unpredictable, so that's not great. But that's my take on Bitcoin, I think, for today, and also a little bit for next week. But obviously I'll be back with more updates on the interest rates when we almost are there. But for now, I want to thank you all for watching and listening. Enjoy the rest of your Sunday, and take care. Bye. First, I quickly wanted to grab your attention from a new partner, BingX. BingX is one of the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges out there. It's 100% legit, and you have a lot of cryptos to trade and buy. And apart from that, if you sign up right now through the link down in the description, you get a 10% off all transaction fees forever, and you can get up to a $125 bonus for free. Now let's get on with the rest of the video.